like so. Sage. Yes, I'll leave now. It always goes, isn't it? Alright, got them laid out. You need to step back. No. Shoot. Okay, lay them out and Jinx. Alright. Okay, lay out the scrubs. And then you. Oh, right. Okay, so lay out the scrubs and you.
Flat. Oh, it must be Stimmy. Oh, thanks. Where's my hat? Oh, shit. Well, at least hide my hats. It's Stimmy. Okay, so open up Adobe Premiere Pro. I've already brought in scrub change. I haven't looked at it yet. So this one. We'll bring this over into the timeline and create a sequence from that. Okay, so what I want is about when she lifts up. I want her about there. So I'm gonna cut that there. And then what I want to do is put this clip on top. The audio won't matter. So as she's coming up, I want where she's about picked up on me. I want her hands up a little bit. Alright, so let's cut that right there. Are you linked? I think so. Okay, we'll move this up. We'll turn the opacity of this back down. What I need is to line that frame up. Speed through all this. Come up there. Bring that back on. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Okay, so I like the timing of that. Let's really stretch this out. See if I can need to change anything at all. I'm just trying to line her body position up. Spread that back out a little bit. Come back a frame, go forward a frame. So there's that. Turn that down. So that's pretty close. I should have had her remember to lean forward a little more, but it's only one frame. Stood in the same spot. The head's not quite lined up exactly. The arms are pretty close. So that actually looks pretty good. Alright, so turn that back up to 100%. Now we've got this little effect. I'm a little slow coming up there, so I need to speed that part up there. So we should have done better with alright, so maybe I'm gonna speed that up right there. So Let's make this 200%. Should have done ripple delete. Maybe if I speed her up just a tad before as well. Let's do speed duration 200% here as well. Slide this up. There's a little, seems like a little flash there. Yeah, there's a little bit of a gap, so we don't want that. There we go. Alright, so just speeding that up helps the little transition there. Okay, look at my big old cat. Alright, so I like that better. I don't know, maybe it could be 250, maybe it could be 300, but I like that. I may tweak it a little more. So here I want, just as my hands hit my head. Alright, so they touch right there. Alright, so I need to cut that there, and then I need to get my hat. Get my hat on. And it's gonna be about right there. So cut that. Get rid of that. That should be a seamless merge right there. Alright, so I like that. And that's how you do the quick scrub change. Alright guys, thanks so much. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. It would help my channel. And if you found the information helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you do, remember to turn on notifications so that you don't miss when the next video comes out. Alright guys, thanks so much. We'll see you in the next video.